Hello friends, welcome to Top Brain GK. In this video, we will read 20 GK questions about world geography. Okay, let's start it. Let's start with question number 1. Which one is the smallest ocean in the world? And the answer is Arctic Ocean. As you see in the picture, the Arctic Ocean is in the northern part of the earth, primarily around the North Pole. It is the smallest and shallowest of the world's ocean. Now, second question. Which one is the biggest ocean in the world? And the answer is Pacific Ocean. As you see in the picture, the Pacific Ocean is located between Americas to the east of the Pacific Ocean basin and the Asian and Australian continent to the west. The equator divides the Pacific Ocean into the North Pacific Ocean and the South Pacific Ocean. Third question. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA? And the answer is France. In 1885, the Statue of Liberty was given as a gift to America by France to mark the 100-year anniversary of American independence. Fourth question. Dead Sea is located between which two countries? And the answer is Jordan and Israel. Dead Sea located between Israel and Jordan. The Dead Sea is one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth with almost 10 times more salt than ordinary seawater. Now, fifth question. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? And the answer is Atlantic Ocean. Bermuda, Florida and Puerto Rico often are identified as a points of a triangle. This ocean has always been a mysterious place to humans, and when foul weather or poor navigation is involved, it can be a very deadly place. This is true all over the world. Sixth question. Which country is known as the playground of Europe? And the answer is Switzerland. Mountains of the Switzerland are very popular. Alps in the south and Jura in northwest. It has a central plateau of rolling hills, plains and large lakes. So, Switzerland is the playground of Europe. Question 7. Which country is also known as the land of rising sun? And the answer is Japan, where sun rises first, and that is the reason why the country is often called the land of the rising sun. Question 8. Which country is known as the land of thunderbolts? And the answer is Bhutan. Bhutan is recognized as a land of thunderbolt due to the extreme and large thunderstorms. Question 9. Which continent has the highest number of countries? And the answer is Africa. Africa is a continent with the most countries. There are 54 countries on the African continent. Question 10. In which country white elephant is found? And the answer is Thailand. In Thailand, white elephants, also known as pink elephants, are considered sacred and are a symbol of royal power. Question 11. Total number of oceans in the world is? Answer is 5 oceans. 5 oceans in the world are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Question 12. Which country is also known as the land of thousand lakes? Answer: Finland. A comparison of the number of lakes with its population reveals that there is one lake for every 26 people. Water makes up 10% of the land area in Finland. Question 13. The world's longest straight road without any corners is located in Saudi Arabia, Highway 10. Saudi Arabia Highway 10 is the world's longest stretch of completely straight road. Question 14. Which one is the biggest island in the world? Answer is Greenland. Greenland is the biggest island in the world. Question 15. In which year Hong Kong became a part of China after British rule? And the answer is 1st July 1997. On 1 July 1997, Hong Kong formally transferred to the People's Republic of China. Question 16. Which river is flowing through Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA? And the answer is Colorado River. Question 17. Which one is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Answer: Amazon. The Amazon is the world's largest rainforest. It is home to more than 30 million people. Question 18. How many countries will participate as founding member of United Nations? And the answer is 51 countries. Question 19. Which continent has no desert? And the answer is Europe. Last question, question number 20. Which one is the largest continent? And the answer is Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. I hope you like this video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.